Good morning, Jamaica, and good morning to the world. All the while I'm telling you, say, today for me, tomorrow for you, and I laugh. For everyone, when I see a post out there and I go and say, when I ridicule and figure Jamaica when I talk out phone and I talk out for all who they can't talk for themselves because I know fun lock up behind closed door and because I'm so rich and some have so much nice friends. When I know how to feel inside, but I can't say it because I don't want to offend anybody. We don't have to offend anybody. We can't tell it to you like it is. Bridges after disaster, Risk Management Act, 10,000 and 30 days in prison. The government of Jamaica only going to 10,000 one time. And himself on a breach of disaster management act, him are going to fine for $10,000 or 30 days in prison. That is oppression and tyranny. Resisting arrest, 2,010 days in prison. Oppression and tyranny. I don't think the law enforcement of Jamaica, Jamaican people friend. On our citizen, on our own brother, on our own uncle, on our own father, and take this job to protect and serve Jamaica, but not protect and serve politicians and political interests. Right? When since we cannot speak out against the way we feel without risk of you pressuring we. Now, the Jamaican Constitution does not allow the government of Jamaica to use the office of the Prime Minister or any other office to oppress and pressure any citizen. Any citizen at all. You Jamaicans better wake up before them come kick off on the door 1-1 and do like what you see them do all over the place. Let me continue. So what can I hear? Indecent language. 1,010 days in prison. And them come again and say additional fine of 10,000 or 10 days in prison. For a sergeant police officer. But me notice a trend. Me notice everybody who come out in a Jamaica and vent the way them feel. Either the Jamaican populace come down upon them like we're supposed to be sheep. We're supposed to, so if the Prime Minister, everybody say must go yam shit. We're supposed to go up there and line up and eat it. Hold on, people. Hold on. Put on your thinking caps. And all the way are fooling. Not because you go you when you go to some place make you smarter than we know. No guy can't tell you how to live. I'm not coming with no bag of bullshit like you say all the way are fool. Remember, are we voting in? We're supposed to run the country for we. Don't go like you don't want to switch it on me. Can't been switch it on Jamaican people, let me know. And have the people them thinking that they work for politicians. No! Politicians work for the country as fiduciaries of this great corporation to ensure that they do the job of the office that they are elected to do. Do not use the office of the Prime Minister or the office of whichever politician it is to pressure the citizens. You are creating tyranny. You are tyrannical. I'm not thief too. Because enough money I get along with Jamaican people now. You think the 10,000 can feed Jamaican people and lock up the whole island. Everybody locked down in the house and nobody don't want to talk because they don't want a friend. Me don't want no friend and me don't want no friend. I want to free the people. And make the people them live and stop this tyranny want to deal with. On pushing Jamaica people to the brink. And nobody don't want to tell them because they're afraid of them. Why? Because of the death squad them around there. We not fear for death, they've been killing us. On a murder way, on a torture way, on a rob way. So what more you can do to it? No, now lock them and try to make it extinct. It's crazy. Free the people and them and use some common sense and stop being so damn reactive. Everybody just reactive. Why? I want to tell you about shot and none of them not take no shot. I want to try fool boy here. Here what go on. We want to say, uno take what uno try give my people them to take. Because when the people of Jamaica start dead, you can't tell you nothing, you know. You can't tell me nothing when Jamaican people start dead. Think about that.